Hey guys, it's Joni here with Barn Chic Design. So this little video is for all my customers or online customers wondering how do I take care of my Annie Sloan brushes so they last the longest. I have had some for 8 years since I've started with Annie Sloan paint, and I've had some that have lasted through several workshops and with me doing projects all the time. So if you take care of them, they're going to last a really long time. These are high quality boar bristle hair brushes, so they're natural hair. I just use warm soap or warm water and soap. Just a mild soap is fine. And I work my hands and fingers inside the middle in the center of those brushes real good because they're packed with hair. So they're going to pack that hair with paint on the inside too. So just make sure you get in there, get it worked around, especially if you use a real pigmented paint like red or blues or anything like that. You want to make sure you get all that out. And then whenever I get done and I get the soap rinsed out, I will make sure the water runs clear. And if it doesn't, then I just do the same steps again and add more soap and go at it again. So if I have a whole bunch of brushes, I'll set them all to the side and condition them at the end. Or I'll just go ahead and condition it if I have a few and let it sit in the brush. But I'll show you at the end. I just use a cheap conditioner. So this is her flat synthetic brush. It's not a natural hair brush, so you can just wash it and set it aside to dry. This brush is great for detail work and smooth finishes. So like if you have heavy brush strokes from the natural hair brushes, you can use this to kind of feather them out. So next is the wax brush. I get a lot of questions about this one. So it is an investment, but it is an awesome investment. It's tapered at the end, really comfortable handle, and it's awesome for getting that wax on your furniture and getting it sealed in that paint. I just use warm soap or warm water and mild soap just to make sure it breaks down that wax. And then at the end, I condition it just the same because it's natural hair. So when I go to hang my brushes, I use a hair tie on the wax brush just because there's no hole at the end to hook it on to like a hanger or anything like that. So I just use like a cheap hair tie. And I always hang my brushes down, bristles down while they're trying to dry because I don't want that water running back into the metal part and breaking down the glue that holds those hairs together. And I just use, like, this is a cheap hanger off of Amazon. I think it was like for belts or scarves or something. It came in 2 packs. So I gave one to my mom and I kept the other one. And then when they're dry, I just hang them or set them bristle up. You don't want to set them bristle down just in case you don't use them for a long time. You don't want them getting warped. Thank you guys for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and feel free to subscribe.